With the rapid pace in which the world is advancing, it has become almost impossible to eat healthy and balanced food all the time. People have got more used to eat foods from fast food haunts and other places, thereby resulting in excessive consumption of low-fiber food and refined sugar by way of different varieties of processed and tinned food and sodas and other unhealthy beverages. This has resulted in a large amount of the population around the world to be classified as obese or overweight. There are many other factors which may result in obesity, such as overeating, genetics, and slowdown of metabolism as a person grows older. The rate of weight loss is proportionate to the amount of weight gained. Speedy weight loss is not considered sensible, as it would make the skin of the person sag, thereby making him opt for a surgery to make the skin look better. Weight loss also depends on the health, weight, gender, age, calorie intake, stress level, routine, and lifestyle. All overweight people are not unhealthy but are considered to be unfashionable. One important and significant fact to be noted is that there is no instantaneous or miraculous weight loss solution available. According to health experts and nutritionists, adequate exercise with a balanced diet would be of great help in losing a few pounds every week. A proper workout schedule coupled with a low-calorie diet program would help in achieving favorable results. For this purpose, the individual should opt for a suitable diet plan designed by a health professional or a dietitian according to the routine and lifestyle of the individual. Such plans have to be formulated in such a way that it does not comprise of purchase any costly fitness equipment or any kind of diet supplement. A combination of weight training and cardiovascular workout exercise program would be very effective and helpful. This would help in increasing muscle-to-fat ratio on one hand and at the how to lose weight. With the right food. Copyright Wings of Success, page 58 of 58. Same time help in burning the extra fat, thus inducing weight loss and an increase in the metabolism rate. A balanced diet plan must consist of food items from all the varieties of food groups. This consists of two parts: 1. Carbohydrates. 2. Fats. The food consumed by an individual must comprise of fiber, minerals, and vitamins in the right proportions. A lot of this can be taken by way of cereals, oats, and potatoes. However, the best sources for this are fruits and vegetables, as they contain phytochemical, micronutrients, and enzymes which are important for a balanced diet. The second part comprises of fats, which can come from polysaturated or monosaturated foodstuff rather than that derived from animals. Proper care must be taken to consume fats in the correct quantity so that unwanted calories are not added. Every diet plan is made keeping in mind lesser number of calories to be consumed by the individual. This refers to eating smart rather than starving, or eating less by choosing the right foodstuff in the right quantity. This helps in losing weight without eating less. The individual should keep visiting the dietitian or health professional throughout the diet period to see the improvement and keep track of the results achieved. This helps in making changes in the diet if necessary. However, by the end of it, it is in the hands of the individual to stick to diet plan strictly.